Hello guys, how have you been doing? I hope you've been doing well. I'm also doing well. So just missing you guys. Huh? It's another awesome morning, and I want to clean my locks with you today, guys, and I want you to see how I normally do it. Huh? So I normally use a pinch of Ariel for my braids to smell well. Yeah. So let's just do it with you and a normal soap. Huh? Let me put it here so that you can be able to see it so well. I normally clean my dreads after every 2 weeks so that they can really be able to look good for so long. So today is that day. Make sure that it has really soaked well with soap so that all the dirt can be squeezed out. And remain with a very clean skull. Okay. Don't use your nails to squeeze your dreads. To scrub your skull. Squeeze your tips, fingertips, so that you cannot injure the skull. Make sure that all the dirt is now out. Continue squeezing, rubbing. now feel like they are clean and very fresh. It's very simple. Now I want to rinse the hair. Yeah. And make sure that there is no soap that's remaining inside. Very hot. That is very hot. Yeah, I'm feeling very fresh and clean. That's enough. So guys, that's my simple dreadlock cleaning routine. And it's just as simple as that. It's very simple. It's not time consuming and it's very amazing. I normally clean my dreads alone. Now I feel good. I feel fresh. I will tie them like that and wait them to dry for like 30 minutes. Then I'll start waxing them. All right. So after that, I want to try and do what? I want to dry the maize. I've been drying them for 3 days now. This is the 4th day. I want them to dry so that I can be able to take them to the pottery mill to be grinded into a maize flour. So that's what I'll do next as I wait for my dreads to dry. Okay guys, so stay with me. So I don't know if you can be able to see it. I normally do it.